Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the Voodoo or AET Voodoo engine mount. Seems to be very popular at the minute, pretty much overtaking like the Revo mounts, the Mountune mounts, all those kind of other big makes. So this is how it arrived. Long story short, you need to get a bigger box for your product. Get a bigger box and basically package it a little bit better if you can. It's a nice box in terms of like design and stuff, but yeah. But anyway, so by opening it up, I mean I'm just going to lift it. As you can see, it's all split and everything, so hopefully everything's still intact. I have this amount of padding, that's not going to do anything. And we have a flat bit of padding on the bottom, that's not going to do anything either. So let's see what kind of damage has been done. But as you can see, the box is just literally in pieces. There's just, yeah, it done nothing. Oh, there is stuff on the back though. That's cool. Excellent, excellent. Right, anyway, it comes in two things. So let's get the main bit out first. Engine mount. So there you go. As you can see, it looks like it's been damaged. So it's got a few little nicks out of it. So you pay 145 quid and you get a few nicks out of it, which is nice. That's cool. But hey, I'm alright with that. It's going to go under the car anyway. It's going to get smashed to bits. And even if you have it like that way round, if you know what I mean, under the car, you won't be able to see anything anyway. So yeah, not the best. Like I said, this, you know, this isn't going to save anything. This isn't going to save anything. Especially when you've got this loose. And as you can see there, it looks like this is where all the damage has come from. You've got this loose bit of metal around. It's probably going to ding it at some point. So that's interesting. May have to have a word about that. But anyway. So there's your actual engine mount. And then inside here, if I can open it, is the piece that slides in. So here's that. I can't see any damage around that, which is good. But that's basically going to slide into that hole there, or that way around. I'm not sure. I will see when I've got it in the car. But it's going to slide in one way or another. It's basically going to sit inside there. So yeah, there you go. That's the AET Voodoo mount. You can pick these up for about 145 quid. Hopefully yours doesn't arrive damaged, or hopefully they actually package it properly or together in a box that actually survives. Because when you're paying £10 delivery every single time, you kind of hope it arrives in one piece, or maybe with some better bubble wrap that isn't all popped already. Yeah, not the best. But anyway, 145 quid, £10 delivery, so you can have your items damaged. Anyway, I'll be installing it onto the car, and we'll see how it performs. I'm sure performance will be good, I hope. Fingers crossed. Otherwise I paid 145 quid for a damaged product and a rubbish engine mount. I doubt it will be rubbish though. Everyone says it's cool. I have faith. I have faith in AET. I do still support them, even if they package their stuff like this. Right. Peace out, guys. Remember to like, favourite and subscribe. I'm sure I've hurt some of your feelings out there, but hey, I'm only ever going to tell you the truth. Right. See you guys next time.